Hi, welcome for RTL online trainings and placements in Oracle Cloud Technologies. If you are looking for any online training or classroom based out in Hyderabad in financials, HCM, supply chain management, Fusion Technical with OIC, and Oracle EBS Technical, you can please contact with us. So in this session, I'm going to talk about it's one of the important question in the interviews, cloud HCM, human capital management. How can you update the employee hire date? Once you hire an employee, by mistake you have given some wrong date that we want to go for update. Is it possible? If possible, can we update the hire date? Different scenarios again. Can we update with the previous date, backward date? Can we update with forward date or not? So these are different scenarios, two different scenarios we are going to check now. Let me hire an employee here.
Hi. Before we continue, a small announcement from RTL online trainings and placements. You know that RTL is one of the best institute for Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP applications trainings with artificial intelligence. We got more than 49,000 YouTube followers exclusively for Oracle Fusion Cloud, and 45,000 students has got enrolled for RTL our courses through Udemy, and more than 100 batches we have completed successfully in online. And we got placed 3,000 candidates across the world. Now we are going to start the training for Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. In RTL online trainings, exclusively we provide the training project oriented, module wise interview questions and answers. Those questions and answers also video tutorials. It's not like, okay, this is the question and this is the answer in Excel sheet or in Notepad or WordPad. We have prepared videos for those FAQ questions and answers. Like if there is a question related to the financials or HCM, what is the answer and where exactly we have to do that setup or configuration or customization, and exactly which checkbox we have to explain to the interviewer, how we have to explain to the interviewer like experienced consultant. Like that, we prepared video tutorials so that you'll get a confidence that we did module wise, and module wise one-to-one resume preparation. So when you join in any training, maybe you are a fresher applying for a job as a fresher, we prepare a resume, how to apply for a fresher, what are the things you are supposed to keep module wise in your profile. If you are applying 2 to 3 years of experience or 4 to 6 years of experience, maybe you are having around 10 to 15 years of experience in non-IT and you are moving to the IT industry now, how you have to keep your profile. Those all things one-to-one we will be explaining so that you are full-fledged prepared for the interviews attendings. Module-wise mock interviews, every module as soon as completed, we take a mock interview and we'll tell you are got good idea in this particular topics and you are weak in this area so that you can improve your skills in that area. There will be a module-wise tests you can attend yourself and know what are all the different areas you have to improve and how you have to prepare for interview. This is very important. Everybody can get training and start doing the practice and all, but how to track the interview, how you have to improve yourself, where exactly you have to improve the skills for the interview point of view. Those all areas we are going to give you the training. Then we are going to start the batch Oracle Fusion Cloud Human Capital Management with Artificial Intelligence on 25th May 2026, 6:30 a.m. IST. And this is our Zoom meeting, and these are the WhatsApp numbers in case if you have any doubts, you need more information, you can attend. We are going to attend 3 free demo sessions. We are going to conduct 3 free demo sessions. You can attend so that you will have an idea complete on cloud ERP applications. What is the impact of AI in the ERP applications? And also, we are going to execute a couple of real-time assignments. You will be very clear how you have to execute those, whether you are able to understand or is it interesting or not. This all you will be clear. Okay. And there is a concept also we are going to introduce from this batch. You can go for enroll for this batch by paying the fees, placement fees. If you are not able to get placed, then we are ready to refund the fees amount 100%. Okay. So this is, you don't find anywhere outside in the training in industry. Okay. Attend 3 demo sessions so that you will come to know what exactly the refund policy and how you have to prepare here. It is either you get a job or you take money back. Okay. Let's continue. Thank you.
So I'm going to hire an employee for today date. Let me go ahead with the existing legal employer, US1 legal entity. So I'm going to mention here Ramesh Kumar. Gender is male. Let me go with and go for national identification number. You click next button. Hire date I have given 31st January 2023. Right. So let me go with the home address. Now we are entering into the employment information tab, which is very important because there itself will specify the assignment details like business unit, job, position, grade. This I'm going to specify the position as clerk. Then automatically the job, grade, ladder, department, location, other properties means attributes will be populated over here. I'm going to mention who is the manager. So I'm going to specify the manager details here, Curtis Fitty. Line manager, I'm going to specify. Now click next button. You must enter a value for the location ID. For example, you must enter only number in job ID field. There is some problem in the job here. When you go for, then some job task here. So I don't want to synchronize the information from the position. Let me go ahead with this change. I'm going to say that job name is recruiter. Let me go ahead with this. There was some problem in the location. I have changed the location. Now it's working fine. So now we are going to complete the employee hiring process here. Let me submit for this. Now employee name is Ramesh Kumar. That's the employee name. Once we complete the process, if you want to hire an employee, make sure that you have the access for the role called human resource specialist. You must have the access for the role called human resource specialist. Then you will be able to hire an employee successfully here. Now let's go to person management. Ramesh Kumar. This is our employee, what we have done. What is the hiring date for this employee? 31st January 2023. So actually this date is 1st January or something. Let's take March 1st, 2022. That's what backward date we want to go for update. So we go to the task list here. This personal and employment, nothing but our global HR actions. What we are trying to do is, let's go to the option called work relationship. Go to work relationship here. Now go to actions here, edit. Now we can find hire date. That's, I'm going to make it as March 2022 first. That's what I'm going to specify. Save, then go for submit. Now we have successfully updated the hire date for the backward date. Let me check the 6384. That's the person number. Let's go back. Enter person number and click search button. Then we'll come to know here. Click on this. Still it's not updated. Still we have 31st January 2023. Still it is in progress. It takes a couple of minutes time. And we have to go back again. We can also verify from here, work relationship. Still it is not updated. Okay. So there are different scenarios we have. This is what we have discussed. Move date back in time. So higher date is so and so date. If you want to give the back date, you can perform, and the expected result will be the start date for both employment records, including child records and person records. Same thing, move date forward in time. In case if you want to go for forward, for example, this date we have given, we want to transfer this to so and so date. It can happen. The expected result will be the start date for both employment records and person records. It will be moved. Move hire date forward with intervening assignment change. So we hired an employee on 2013. Assignment changes on 2013, so and so date. We want to go for change the hire date. So what will happen? So already assignment date is this, right? 2013. That also is supposed to be changed. Not only the hire date. Assignment change also is supposed to change, right? So assignment records exist prior to the hire date. It means you hired an employee and you have done the assignment. Then later you came to know that there is a problem in the hire date. Actually, that is, needs to be given as a future date. If you give the future date, what will happen to assignment date? Employee has joined on 1st January 2014, but assignment is in 2013 only. So that is wrong, right? Then in that scenario, you will get an error. Assignment record exists prior to the hire date. Either delete the assignment record or change the hire date. I'll make another video for this. In this video, I'm going to take only two use case scenarios. There are around 15 to 16, I think 24, 27 scenarios. I'll try to make it maximum, whatever is possible. But this is how we can do that, the changes for a higher date whenever we are doing from work relationship. Let me take this employee, cross check this. Yes, it has been changed March 1st, 2022. This I did it for backward. Let me take another employee. I don't want to go for again a hiring employee. Let me take existing employee. Ajay Kumar is there. So this Ajay Kumar has joined on 29th 1st 2002. How about assignment? Assignment start date. It's in assignment status is active. This is hiring date. We'll go back here. Employment information we have right now. Work relationship. So January, what is the hire date we have here? 29th January 2002. So I'm going to edit Ajay Kumar hire date as future date 2002 February 13th. I'm going to make it. It's a primary work relationship only. Save. Then go for submit. 13th February 2002 means I have changed the hire date for future date, forward date. So we have seen the previous scenario. Move date back in time. Now we are going to work on this. Move date forward in time. So that it will change the start date for both employment records, including the child record and person records. Let me cross check once. Now we can see that it has been updated successfully. Okay. So this is how we can go for change the employee hire date. So remaining scenarios, I will try to make it another video on this. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget. And if anybody is looking for a placement and real-time training and all, please contact our admin person. They will provide all the details. Please communicate this number. They'll be able to provide all this. To get the videos based on your domain, what you can do is go to playlists and you can check this here, EBS technical, supply chain management, HCM. So domain wise, you can find here. Okay. Thank you.